just another. Sam's just another set. He's just going to move now. He's just heading back with what he's shot. Sam's. I don't know how Sam's managed to shoot all them big rabbits because there's no big ones come out of the hole where I am. He's probably been to the game dealer and bought them. Yeah, that's a good haul. Yeah, well done. I'll give you a knife now, Sam. You can good them. So, yeah, well done to Mr. Deer Hunter. Right, so I'm going to show you one of my kills on the camera. You'll be impressed with this. Right, we're going to have a go for this fella here. Oh, you bugger. No, we're not. It's that one who leaves me one choice. Sam says I'm not allowed to shoot the black one. Oh, the other one's come back out. I better leave the black one. So, oh, he's gone back in. Sorry, mate. You're gonna have to get it. Your Mara's deserted you. Ooh, right, folks, I'm just going to move now. Been on the set for about 45 minutes. Shot a dozen. I'm going to move. Sam's vacated the set that he's on. He's gone over the one into the next field. He said the set he's been sat on, a lot of small rabbits out there. He says about 28 sat out when he packed up. So I'm going to go and bump those off and see how we get on over there. I think we've done reasonably well so far. I don't think Sam's shot as well as he'd like. He's shooting with a 2.2 Rimfire and it's shooting a little bit high. He's taking the top rabbits' heads off. I'm shooting with a 1.7 HMR and I've not missed anything yet. Shooting nicely. So yeah, we're going to give it a go over there. What I'm shooting it with here is a CZ17 HMR with a heavy barrel on, heavy varmint barrel. Shoot with an MTC Viper scope, sound moderator with just a neoprene cover on it. The neoprene cover is a shotgun double barrel cover and I just use that. Primarily I use that for a night time because it takes the glare off the moderator. You get a bit of glare back in the scope from the moderator on a night, so having that on it takes it off and it also protects the moderator as well. Shooting off a bipod because I'm shooting from a laying position. Just going to get unloaded now, so I'm just going to move off. Ammunition wise, I was saying to you before, shooting with Hornady VMAX, evil little round, shoot very flat, extremely accurate, and a lovely gun to shoot with is the 1.7 HMR. Had one of these on my licence for a few years, never bothered acquiring one and kicking myself really. I've used one now for the last 2 years and you know, they are as good as people say they are. Yeah, used sensibly. I don't use it for foxes, I use 243 for foxes. But for rabbits, they're just a phenomenal round. And also, I mean, on the game keeping round, I love to have it in the vehicle, shooting magpies, squirrels, carrions. Just great for bumping stuff like that off. You know, 100 yards at a magpie or a carrion is absolutely nothing. And I can tell you now that they're not expecting it coming. You know, they think when they're sat at 100 yards that they're safe, and they're not. Not with the 1.7 HMR. Right, let's get moved off anyway. I'll just put that bipod back down and sit the rifle down. Right, I'm just going to grab my gear. So not nice to watch. I've just come to watch Sam. He's just over the wall from me. Just gonna have a look, see how he's getting on. He's shooting up into a disused mine as well. Tucking into his pick and mix. Yeah, like a little squirrel with his sweets. Well, I'm all hidden away. He's a fair way away from me. Quite impressed with this video camera. He's basically just sniping them off here, which is you know, a nice way to do it. Nice evening when it's like this. The last time I came here on this particular spot it was -10 and I was here till 3 hours after dark with the lamp as well on my own, and yeah, it was hard work. This is easy by comparison. Sam's shortly going to be doing some rabbit shooting experiences as well on our own land using the estate rifle, so if that's something people are interested in, you want to come along and experience a bit of rimfire rifle shooting at rabbits, then that's something he's going to be offering. Just drop us a message. As you see, Sam's there using a 2.2 rimfire sound moderated telescopic sight, shooting it off a bipod. Maybe just make out the bipod there at the front to give him a rest. Subsonic ammunition, very quiet. I think he's settling down onto one here. Yep, he's just got one there. Couple here, I'm not sure which one Sam's going to shoot at. Oh, that one there. So we got that one. Right, we've not done so bad. Just going to take the rabbits back down to the vehicle. What we shot so far, shot 40. See, that's not a lot bad it'll do really. Just got another one just come out here. See if we can plug him, it's a distance off. That's another one down. Right, well, if you've watched our video and you've thought to yourself that it's something that you'd like to get involved with and have a go at rabbit shooting with the rifle, with the 17R or the 2.2, or maybe you're putting in for your firearm certificate and you want to get some experience, then Sam's going to be doing some introductory packages and some fully guided packages on our own shoot, taking people out, supervising them on a one-to-one basis, rabbit shooting with the rifle. So if it's something you want to discuss with us, just drop us a message or email us sportsandsporting@gmail.com and we can have a chat with you about that and see if we can get something sorted out for you.